In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday, Calm versus ClickUp versus Asana, new research. If you're comparing these three platforms, you're likely trying to boost productivity, bring your tools and teams together, and get clearer visibility into work. I'm going to walk you through what each platform is designed to do, how their AI features differ, where they shine for different teams, and practical considerations that will help you choose confidently. By the end, you'll know which one aligns best with your workflows, integrations, and scale. Let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp positions itself as the software to replace all software, and its mission is to tackle what it calls work sprawl, the fragmentation that happens when tasks, docs, and communication are scattered across tools. The centerpiece is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant built directly into the platform. It gives quick answers and context, helps manage projects, and even offers AI talk to text so you can capture notes and draft updates much faster. On top of that, ClickUp leans heavily into specialized AI agents. Project management agents track deliverables and timelines. Marketing agents can draft copy and briefs, and software agents help engineering teams with structured, higher quality output. Additional agents support operations and employee experience by removing manual check-ins and speeding up routine coordination. The promise here is ambitious. A reported 384% return on investment, tens of thousands of hours saved, and payback in under 6 months. It's also built for scale, with enterprise-grade security and compliance standards like SOC 2 and GDPR. If your goal is to consolidate tools, centralize work, and lean into AI-driven assistance across departments, ClickUp's all-in-one approach is compelling. Just make sure you map out which modules and automations you'll actually deploy, because the breadth is significant, and the best results come when you focus on the specific workflows that matter most to your teams. Now, let's look at Asana. Asana frames itself as the leading platform for human and AI collaboration, with a strong emphasis on connecting day-to-day tasks to strategic goals. Its AI features include AI teammates and smart assists that learn your business context over time. That means as you create projects, milestones, and dependencies, the system becomes better at suggesting next steps, flagging risks, and streamlining routine work. Asana's core strengths are in project management, workflows, and resource management, and it provides tailored solutions for marketing, operations, and IT. It integrates with hundreds of tools and is widely adopted by large enterprises, which is reflected in its presence across major analyst reports. Asana excels when clarity and alignment are your top priorities. If you need executives to see how initiatives ladder up to company goals, while teams work within intuitive boards, timelines, and portfolios, Asana makes that connection very clear. It's especially effective in environments where governance, cross-functional visibility, and integration depth matter just as much as task execution. Now to Monday.com. Monday.com is a versatile work platform that lets you build tailored products and workflows for marketing, sales, development, and service teams. Think of it as a highly customizable canvas. You design boards and dashboards, create automations to reduce manual steps, and connect data for informed decisions. It shines in collaboration and communication, making it easy to standardize processes across teams while still adapting to each team's specific needs. The platform integrates with popular apps and is recognized as a market leader with strong ROI claims. Monday.com is a great fit if you want the flexibility to model your business processes quickly and visually, and you want to scale that structure across departments without feeling locked into rigid templates. The automations are approachable, the learning curve is friendly, and teams can get from idea to live workflow fast. For go-to-market functions like marketing and sales, and for operational handoffs between departments, it often hits a sweet spot of simplicity and power. So how do you decide among the three? If your priority is replacing multiple scattered tools with one hub and you want AI agents that actively help each department execute faster, ClickUp's breadth is hard to beat. Make sure you plan for onboarding and clarify ownership for each space so the power doesn't become overwhelming. If you care most about connecting daily work to strategy, ensuring leadership has clear portfolio views, and building strong alignment across complex, multi-team programs, Asana is a strong choice. It's designed to scale governance and visibility in a way enterprises appreciate. If you want to rapidly build custom workflows with approachable automations that teams will adopt quickly, and you need a platform that flexes across marketing, sales, div, and service without heavy configuration, Monday.com is likely the smoothest path. A few practical tips as you evaluate. Start with a small pilot anchored to a real initiative and define what success looks like in measurable terms: cycle time, on-time delivery, or reduced handoffs. List the integrations you truly need on day one and confirm how data will flow in both directions. Sketch your ideal workflow on paper before building it, so you stay focused on outcomes rather than features. If security and compliance are must-haves, document your requirements early and validate them during trials. Finally, look beyond feature checklists and assess how quickly your teams can learn the tool, because adoption is the multiplier that turns capabilities into real results. To recap, ClickUp aims to unify work with deep AI assistance across departments. Asana connects tasks to strategy with strong enterprise alignment and integrations. And Monday.com prioritizes flexible, visual workflows and approachable automation. Each can deliver excellent results when matched to the right use case and implemented with clear goals. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more practical comparisons and hands-on guides.